Hi, my name is Piper Primrose, and I am the California Safe Tech in Schools Coordinator for Environmental Health Trust, which is a national nonprofit that carries out cutting-edge research on environmental health hazards and also works directly with communities to understand and mitigate these hazards. I'm also a longtime elementary school teacher. I'm actually a Waldorf teacher. I deeply care about children. And I really care about the ever increasing amount of technology and radiation that they are being exposed to. Extensive published scientific evidence indicates that radio frequency radiation at levels that are compliant with FCC limits can cause cancer, increased oxidative stress, genetic damage, structural and functional changes of the reproductive system, memory deficits, behavioral problems, and neurological impacts. Environmental Health Trust considers radio frequency radiation, RFR, to be a human carcinogen based on the current body of evidence. Many of these effects could be irreversible with grave consequences for our children's future. The American Academy of Pediatrics states that children are more vulnerable to wireless radiation than adults are. Children receive proportionately higher exposures into their more sensitive brain tissue and organs. And children today are being exposed to levels of unnatural RFR never before present on Earth at levels far greater than their parents, far greater than any of us grew up with. And it's continuing to increase yearly. We recommend policies to reduce human exposure to RF radiation, especially in schools. And there are many schools that are now taking measures to reduce cell tower radiation from nearby cell towers, meaning they're taking measures to mitigate the effects of cell towers that are already located near school campuses. But more importantly, I would say and considering the opportunity you may have before you to cancel this lease, there are many school boards across California and the country currently working on resolutions or have passed resolutions banning cell towers on campuses and opposing them within 1,500 feet of campuses. And I sent the board 2 resolutions, one from Palo Alto and one from Temecula Valley Unified, which just passed in December. Environmental Health Trust has collected the best research on wireless radiation from cell towers, as well as information on the protective ordinances and laws that are being passed across the country and around the world. Petaluma can be at the forefront of protecting children, along with the other districts that I mentioned, which have already passed resolutions prohibiting cell towers on school sites. And considering the preliminary testing that I did as a citizen, comparing Casa Grande football field to the Petaluma High football field, it's a staggering difference in radiation levels that the children are being exposed to. Thank you.